Hey Carson, this is Ryan at Royal Mazda Volvo. I just wanted to send you a quick video. Thank you for calling in and inquiring about the '09 Toyota Tundra. I have great news, it is still available. I went ahead and shot a video of it. I'm going to go ahead and send this over to you so you can check it out. And do me a favor, give me a call back and let me know what you think. Thanks so much, Carson. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, wanted to shoot a video of this 2009 Toyota Tundra. Absolutely awesome looking truck. I'll walk around the outside so everybody can take a look at it. I've got actually a customer that I'm going to send this to that asked about it, but I'm going to put it on Facebook and everywhere else, and hopefully somebody will see it, love it, and come and buy it from me. 2009 Toyota Tundra. It is the TRD, and it is four-wheel drive. It's right around 110,000 miles. I'll get in there and show you guys. Got a lift on it, nice big off-road tires. I did want to show, it does have some damage here, just some dents. I'm not sure if maybe a paintless dent removal guy could get those out or not. Nothing too severe, but those are there. All right, start it up so you guys can hear it. Show you the miles and the inside of it. It does have power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Got a nice sound to it. $114,281 miles. Auxiliary in, so you can run your music through your phone or MP3 player, whatever it is you might have. Automatic, but it does have the slap, so you can push it over and drive it in manual if you choose to. Four-wheel drive, like I was saying. Cruise control. Like I said, it's a really nice truck. Love to get somebody some more information on it. Do me a favor, give me a call. My cell number is 812-219-4758, or you can send me an email at ryan.thomasrichardson@gmail.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.